Welcome to the fourth tutorial of electrical estimation. In the third tutorial, we learned about the commands of PlanSwift. We had just an overview of these commands. In this tutorial, we are going to start working on electrical drawings. We will learn how to effectively use these PlanSwift commands. We will know more about drawings. We will familiarize ourselves with symbols being used. We will also learn how to count electrical devices. So let's move to PlanSwift. We ended the third tutorial by getting familiar with these PlanSwift commands. In this tutorial, we are going to start working on electrical drawings. So let's move to these drawings. In the left side, in the portion of pages and bookmarks, you will notice that all the drawings have been named by the name of this project. So the first step is to change the name of these drawings. So let's do it. We will click on the page tab and we will rename all these pages by clicking on Batch Rename Pages. You can also rename these pages by double clicking each one of these. So I double clicked the first page and this tab appeared up. You can rename manually by double clicking. Also, you can rename by clicking on the Batch Rename Pages command. So I gave the name to the first page, then I'll name the second page by double clicking it. You will name all these drawings by their drawing number that you can see in the right lower corner. I have named the second drawings also. Um, if we do it by manually and double clicking each and every drawing, it will take a lot of time. So we just click on the batch rename pages command. This drawing has already been named, so we will just click on save and next. So I'm going to name this third drawing. Click save and next. Fourth drawing. Next drawing. So in this way, you can name all these drawings. I'll skip this portion and name all these drawings. Now that we have named these drawings, one thing you will notice here, the first two drawings are starting with G. These are general drawings. These drawings have the title of this project and sheet index. Then there are drawings starting with A. These drawings are for architecture. These drawings cover the work related to concrete, masonry, carpentry, and other finishes items like painting and flooring, etc. Then there are drawings starting with S. These drawings are for structural work like metal, etc. Then there are M series drawings. These drawings are for mechanical work. Then there are P series drawings. These drawings are for plumbing work. Then there are FP drawings. These are for fire protection. Then there are E drawings. These are for electrical work. Then there are FS drawings. These are for food security drawings. So when you rename these drawings and your main focus is electrical estimation, you can directly skip to electrical drawings. Let's move to first drawing, first electrical drawing. So this is the demolition drawing. Here we can count the devices that are being demolished. This is for floor demolition, and second one is for site demolition. Third one is for new work, as we learned this in our second tutorial. We will move to next drawing is photometric. The next drawing shows an a letter L by its right side. This L stands for lighting, as you can see here. This is electrical lighting drawing. Then on the next drawing, you will see the letter P on the right side. This P stands for power work. So all the receptacles, panel boards, and any other power related devices will be covered on this drawing. Then on the next drawing, you will see the letter S. This S stands for security work. So all the security work will be covered here. Then on the next drawing, you will see the letter C and T. This is for cable tray. On this drawing, cable tray for low voltage devices is shown. Then on the next drawings, the same series start again. L, P, S, and C, T. So let's start from new work and start from first floor lighting. So first we will do the lighting takeoff. Before starting lighting count, two or three things you should note first. If you want to move this page, you can hold your right click and move this page anywhere. If you want to zoom in, you can you can scroll the wheel of your mouse and it will zoom in. There are also some arrows shown on sides, on upper and lower sides. You just need to place your mouse on the arrows. Your drawing will automatically move wherever you want it. So let's move to Home tab and start clicking lighting fixtures. When we zoom in, you will see different types of lighting fixtures like type LF09, 3, LF17. All these lightings are of different manufacturer and model. So to know about the manufacturer and model, schedule of lighting is also given on the end drawings. We will move to that schedule. If you want to open two drawings on the same screen, you will right click, new tab will appear up. Then you will an empty select a page bar is opened. You will click on the next drawing, and two drawings are opened side by side. One is this one, second is this one. So now we are gonna find schedule for lighting. This is schedule for panel boards, their riser diagram. So on drawing E501, lighting schedule is given. As you can see here, type F02, symbol is shown, then its description is given, its LED tape light, how many watts it has, then its model. All this information is needed when you need a quote from the vendor for the lighting. So let's move to plan drawing, start counting. We will click on the count command. This tab will appear up. Here we will name one lighting that will count. Let's say we are gonna count LF17 first. So on the next bar, you will see the shape. This shape will appear up when we will click on these lighting fixtures. You can select any of these. It is circle, square, plus, triangle, and diamond. Then there is color of that point and fill type. You can change this. Would be solid, edge pattern, and texture. So for now, we will keep these settings the same. For next lighting fixtures, we will change these settings and learn more about them. All you need to do is click on these type of lighting fixtures. So now that I have counted all LF17 type of lighting fixtures, you will you will note one thing on the bookmark side. A plus sign has appeared behind this drawing. When you will click on this plus sign, total of type LF17 lighting fixture count will appear up here. It is 44. So I have counted 44 of type LF17 lighting fixtures. Let's count the next lighting fixture. Let's say it is type LF16. You can start from any of these lighting fixtures. There is no any specific arrangement. Let's give a shape. Is a square. Its color has already changed. The first one was blue. This one is purple. Click OK and start counting. You are looking that a square sign is showing up. You can note the difference here. These are circle symbols. These are square symbols. So these three were left. Let's count also. The total count of type LF16 lighting fixtures has appeared on the left side. The bookmark portion is double two. Let's count type LF2 lighting fixtures. So you will note here that I I was intended to count type F22 lighting fixtures, but I accidentally clicked on LF20. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stop this count, then I'll hold this color from there and move it here. Then I'll start counting again. So what I'm gonna do to restart it, I'm not gonna name it by clicking on count. I what I will do is just click on the left side of this count on this green colored shape, and the count will start from where it ended. So in this way we are gonna count all these lighting. One thing to be noted while counting lighting fixtures is sometimes the lighting fixtures are not of specific shape or of specific length, they have random lengths. So what we need to do is measure their length. Like we can see here, type LF02 is a linear shape lighting fixture. So we don't need its count, we need its length. To measure the length of this lighting fixture, we first need to set the scale of time. If we didn't set the scale, its length can't be measured. For example, I haven't set its scale yet, and I'm going to click on linear command. So this error shows up. This tool requires you to scale the pixel first. Would you set the scale now? So I'm gonna click on no. I'll set its scale manually. Its scale is 1 by 8 inches is equal to 1 feet. So its scales are given here. So I'm gonna set this auto given scale. So now the scale is set. Now I can measure the length of this type LF02 lighting fixture. Let's click on linear. So this tab appears up. I will name this fixture. So next I'll click on the starting point of this lighting fixture. Click here, here, stop. So now I have measured its total length. See here, symbols of counts and length different. The total length of this lighting fixture is 63 feet and 3 inches. So in this way, we will count all these lighting fixtures, and with this one, our fourth, fourth tutorial ends here. In the next tutorial, we will learn about counting power devices, security devices, and measuring cable tray length. And in more coming tutorials, we will learn about how to draw the circuitry for power devices and lighting fixtures.